Good morning, good morning, good morning. Another great day in Hawaii. Had some pineapple juice dropping and all that stuff. Little bit humid, but all is well. Just happy to be alive, enjoying another day on this earth. Shout out to everybody who stopped through yesterday who has the Heat semifinals between Authentic Kicks Ricky and What the Sneakers. And we have Authentic Kick Ricky moving on to face Goat Weezy this week for the championship. So y'all haven't checked it out, go check it out on 313 Retro Queen channel. Along, check out also my bros, PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF. It was a very, very entertaining battle. Please believe me, one that you don't want to miss. As myself, I'm on the road to 10K, slowly but surely. Just trying to do this thing brick by brick. And as I already seen, check out my other videos, all the fours. Mr. KO4 in the building, King of Fours. Now let's jump into this video. Now I always harping about new technology, why they don't pick new technology in some of these shoes, and why we paying more money for old shoes. And Jordan Brand decided to get a little bit creative here, and I would say, this ain't the move, Jordan. But after I do this review, I'll go into my little mini rant. As you can see, suggested retail price 170 of them things. Black, white, gem red, Air Jordan 1 High React. You see this a PP personal pair right here. So right off the rip, I'm all excited. Reacts on a Jordan 1. For sure, these babies gotta be better than the regular Jordan 1. I can wear it all day because you know I got the React 55, 80, or that 85. You got the 270s, you got the Prestos. So man, Reacts are on point, and they on a good deal right now, 170. So you got the same price of these as the regular Jordan 1, and it's a big receipt. Yeah, I made a couple of purchases there. So where is it here? So for 170, it went to $72. All right, $72. So you see, you got your regular 23 paper. You got your stamper ramp out here. All that good stuff. 23. And then you have the shoe. Like almost remind me probably something similar to what is that? Something to the almost like the baseball, not the baseball, the football shoe that you put on, right? The football Jordan, and bam, right there, right off the rip. It's like okay, got potential. You look all around, you do the spinneroonie. It's like okay, not bad, kind of like a red colorway, but mostly black. And then here come the problem. You turn it on the bottom, it's all white. And look, some people have just been sitting on the shelf or whatever. It's dirty. Not only that, what is up with this maze pattern? I mean, they could have did a little bit better. I mean, I know you want to be different, but hey, you see you got left foot, so you can't get this wrong. I don't know what that's all about. You're going to put the shoe on one way, but hey, whatever worked. But this pattern is very, very disturbing. You got your red Jumpman, that is okay. Coming around on the toe box, you got perforated holes for breathability. So I'm like, okay. Leather right here is pretty good. Then you got your Air Jordan React pull tab with your mini Jumpman on there. Not mini Jumpman, but Jordan Jumpman on there. You got these thick rope laces, like there's some stuff you use. God done, this rope is thick. Like you do tug of war with this rope, but hey, it is what it is, right? Coming around on the side, so you got your stitching, more perforated holes, stitching pretty good. White, you got to crate that. Don't want to get no fruit punch on there. Then you got this weird swoosh. I don't know what that's all about. And then you got something that should have been the Air Jordan logo, but it's just a cutout or whatever, a replica of the logo. I can't call it, of the logo. Then you turn around the back, you got React, and you got the plus with the pull tab to help you get these suckers on, and you got the nice cushion for the sock liner. Keep moving around, you got Nike right here. Then you got the regular traditional swoosh right here. No tumble rumble. I don't know what kind of pattern that is in there, but hey, it is what it is, right? So then you come around, like I said, you pull out your tug of war laces, $170, 10 and a half. Then you got all these numbers in, Jumpman, inspired design, all that other crap, yada. And this is what you got. So let's get to the little nit meter. But before I get to the little nit meter, yes, Jordan Brand, this shoe has so much potential because, like I said, the Presto React, the 270 React can go on and on and on. But this ain't the move, people. This shoe is a flop, therefore it's on sale. By far, the Jordan 1 with the zoom is much, much better than this shoe. This is terrible, terrible, terrible in my Charles Barkley voice. With that being said, like I said, they tried, epic fail. The comfort is only slightly better than the regular Jordan 1. And with that being said, I'm going to give this shoe about a 4 out of 5. Yeah, I'm very disappointed. A 4 out of 5. A shoe with so much potential, but Jordan Brand, y'all just blew it. I mean, I can't put it much any blunt or clearer than that. They just really, really blew it. So don't try to react anymore. I think the zoom concept is much, much better. Reacts just ain't gonna work on a Jordan 1 in my opinion. So y'all leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos as I'm on the road to 10K. Thanks for all the love and support. Much love, peace, chicken grease. I'm out. Deuces.